All right, so where are we? Right here. Go to right there. I almost go live at 1 o'clock in the morning, and you're like, Nancy, go to bed. But this time is, so you're gonna do is really simple. And let me see if I can do this. Press down. This is the best thing about 40 gels is it's not going to cure until you are like going to ready for it to be like set.
Yep, so it will not harden on you, not like acrylic. With acrylic, you only have a set amount of time to make your design. They don't care whether you get your design done or not, they will dry. 40 gel, no, it will last. You can mold it as much as you want. You can go to bed, wake up, probably you still can be able to mold it. And it won't get hardened until you cure them.
Oh my God.
It's
Let's
like
go
a
to
good
bed.
thing
Make sure you
for
put.
you to just create 3D fun shape with it.
That's cool though. Like you need to take a nap. So press down, and it's really cool about the tool is to design exactly so then you can create your 40s really precise and detailed. Don't need anything else. Don't even need the alcohol at all. You can see that, or any water or solution at all is ready to press down, press down, press down. It just depends on how you want your petals. You want the petal to be big, small. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this. And then this one I'm gonna, hold on, where I'm at right now, here. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this. And then you can take like your time to create and do however you want. You can pointed it or routed it, the petals. And make sure you get this is like, just dab it in here so then it keep it like a nice and thin, because I want to put some frame and then crystal in there. Maybe it's like a couple of petals of the, I loving it. Like you see that how you can just sculpting however you want, and it will do everything for you. I'm gonna add. So now if you're afraid of to get anything is messed up with this, you can cure, but I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna add just a couple of the leaves in there. And I'm using this is the deep green. You can do with emerald, a lighter green. You can using deep green, however you prefer. Press down. It's really cool though. Press down and then you just like press down first in the center, and then just gently is press on this side. On the left, you go to the right, and then pull it just a little bit on the and same thing with this. I'm gonna make one leaf and like a little bit, someone in the front door. And then keep in mind, you can add more petals as you wish. All right, you can add more. You can add like a couple more if you want to make this s'mores on that. So I will using the little frame from the glow in the dark crystal kits, or if you have your bead and frame, it works as well. use a couple frame right there. I'm gonna show you this really cool tip and trick using a little condensed glue gels, and none of them are clear. If you feel like you want to flash key it, absolutely do so. Okay, I'm just gonna get just a little bit of the condensed glue gels and apply this right here gentle, because our 4D gel is still not clear yet, so it's still really cool, and it's like soft there, so you don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna place the frame right there. Give it a little bit press, so you're gonna press this right into the 4D gel. I love this technique because it will anchors everything down for you. And I am going to, maybe I'm not using this. I love this. The GlitzCrystals, bigger one. Bigger one. I'll try to get a bigger one. Maybe this one. Yeah, perfect. Look at that, how is the effects of it. Oh, so adorable. You happy with this? We are going to here, but I think I'm gonna just add hold on, where I'm at, right there. I am going to using this to just give a little bit press down, and then now I'm gonna key it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.